Now in Flodesk, you can archive your subscribers. This allows you to clean up your email list without permanently losing data or unsubscribing your subscribers. To get started, I'm going to click the Audience tab. And here I'll see a full list of my subscribers. For this example, I want to go ahead and archive any subscriber that has not interacted with any of my emails in the last 6 months. To do that, I'm going to click on Filter, choose Status Active, and then add a last activity filter. Here, I'm going to select last activity is not in the last 6 months. Go ahead and click Apply. I want to go ahead and archive these cold subscribers. To do that, I'm going to come over here and click on the check mark next to subscriber and then select all. Just above my subscriber list, I'll see the new archive button. Go ahead and click on archive and then confirm. This process will take a few minutes and you will receive an email once it's complete. I'm going to go ahead and clear my filter and refresh the page. To see all of my archive subscribers, come up here to Status and select Archived. If I want to unarchive any of these subscribers, simply check the box next to their name and then select Unarchive. When you unarchive a subscriber, they will be added back as active in your email list.